Welcome to a new video at SWISSskulls. In this video, we will show you how to prepare a beaver skull. First, the skin and tongue are removed. Then the entire skull is placed in a salt bath. After a few days, the skull is removed from the defleshing bath. And at a temperature of 55 degrees Celsius, the solvent enzyme is used to dissolve the soft tissues. For all baths, I have used the washing and degreasing agent degreasing. The cutting teeth can be removed after the bath and can now be bleached. I use highly diluted hydrogen peroxide for bleaching. In the end, the finished skulls yield excellent results. If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please note that we exclusively offer specimens that are a byproduct of food production or have died of natural causes. No animals were bred or killed for the purpose of preparation. SWISSskulls, your online shop for animal skulls and a bone preparation service. Let us expertly prepare your specimens.